Good morning, students. How are you? Let's start our English lecture of class 2. Open your textbook from page number 120. Unit number 12, The Pied Piper of Hamelin. Here is a warm up for you. Look at the pictures. Which animal would you never like to keep as a pet? Why? Give two reasons. Here are some animals like rats, cats, dogs, and rabbits. Let's read a story of a city where rats were found everywhere. Long ago, in a small town of Hamelin in Germany, the rats were so big, and many of the rats used to fight with dogs and kill the cats. They even bit the babies in the cradles. Life became very difficult for all. So the people marched to the town hall and complained to the mayor. The next day, the mayor held a meeting. A tall man in a coat and hat also came for the meeting. He went up to the mayor and said, "If you pay me 1,000 pieces of gold, I can get your town rid of all the rats." The mayor promised, "I shall give you much more than that." The Pied Piper played a tune, and the rats of every size and color appeared from all over the town. The piper went towards the river. They followed the piper, and all the rats dived into the water and drowned. Now the people of the town were so glad to get rid of the rats. The piper went to the mayor to reward. The mayor refused to honor his deal and said he could not pay his reward. He could pay only 100 pieces of gold. The angry piper shouted and played a tune. The wonderful tune he played drew the children from the street. The happy children followed the piper up to a mountain side. Suddenly the side of the mount opened up, and in walked the piper and all the children. Only one small boy was left behind. All the parents went to the mayor and said, "Give back our children." The mayor sent his servants in all the direction, but it was too late. They all disappeared inside a hall. The people of Hamelin had learnt a lesson. One must always keep one's word. Promises made must be kept. Students, in this story, there is a lesson for you. We should not break our promises and we must keep our words. Students, read out this story. Students, open page number 123. Now we are going to solve exercise. Exercise number B. Here are some words often confused. We read out the words. Maid, नौकरानी, there, वहाँ, नौ, जानना, फेयर, मेला, वन, जीतना, मेड, बनाना, देयर, उनकी, नौ, नहीं, फेयर, किराया, वन, एक. Now fill in the blanks with these words. Students, with the help of these words, fill in the blanks by yourself. Now open page number 124. Let's learn grammar. Exercise number A. When a noun is singular, one, then the verb is also singular. A plural noun takes a plural verb. For example, there is one chair in the room. The noun is singular, chair, so the verb is also singular. There are 3 chairs in the room. There are 3 chairs. The noun is plural, chairs, so the verb is also plural. Now complete the following sentences with is or are. Students, we use is with singular or one thing, and are with plural more than one things. Solve this exercise by yourself on your textbooks. Thank you. Have a nice day.